The human brain is amazing, made of 100 billions of neurons that can tell everything from your movement to your personality, but it's also often misunderstood. Here are 10 myths you have heard about the brain, debunking by the behavioral and cognitive neurologists. Myth number 1: you only use 10% of your brain. The truth is, the brain is always active, rapidly firing millions of neurons in the brain even when you are sleeping. Myth number 2: brain size affects the intelligence. The truth is that intelligence is determined by the number of connections between the brain cells called the synapses, not by the size of the brain itself. Myth number 3: alcohol kills the brain cells. The truth is, moderate alcohol use does not kill the brain cells. However, binge drinking, frequent sustained drinking can damage the ends of the neurons called dendrites. This damage can affect the ability of neurons to convey the messages to each other. Myth number 4: babies exposed to classic music and up smarter. Although it's tempting to believe, there is no evidence to support the idea that playing classical music to baby can make the baby smarter. Myth number 5: left brain peoples are more analytical while right brain peoples are creative. Scientists debunk the myth. The peoples predominantly use one side of the brain more than the other. Myth number 6: the brain declines as you get older. The truth is, some cognitive functions do decline as you get older. Plenty of your mental skills actually improve with your age. This, and this. Regulations are just a few areas in which older brains can perform better than the younger counterparts. Myth number 7: people have different learning styles. While teachers may try to structure their classroom based on students' learning styles, several studies indicate that there is no difference in how people learn. A study published in Anatomical Sciences Education involved data from hundreds of students who were surveyed to determine what kind of learners they thought they were. Teachers then began to tailor their lessons based on their students' self-reported learning style. Scientists found that there was no significant improvement in student test scores. Myth number 8: brain games improve your memory and reasoning skills. The answer is in the BBC Commission study to investigate this theory by asking more than 8,600 people aged 18 to 16 to play online brain games designed to improve memory and reasoning. The participants play the game for 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week. The study showed that after 6 weeks, the test subject did not demonstrate improved cognitive functioning and tasks for which they did not specifically train in the games. Myth number 9: your IQ stays the same throughout your life. I was also braving on this myth, but research has shown that your IQ can fluctuate while you age. But it is important to note that testing someone's intelligence is an imperfect science. Fluid intelligence, or the ability to think quickly and recall information, peaks at the age of 18 and then tapers off as you get older. Conversely, someone's emotional intelligence can continue to improve until the age of 30. Myth number 10: your brain works better under the pressure. The truth is, the pressures of deadline can motivate you to work harder. It does not result in better the brain performance. In fact, stress is more likely to impair the brain function. What do you want to say about these myths? You can discuss with me in the comment sections. More importantly, I have a question and a task for you. Can our senses give the true understanding of the world or not? I believe no, because I will go with the Plato. What Plato says about this question with his short story, Allegory of the Cave. You should watch it now by clicking on the I button on the screen. I'm also giving the link in the description. Stay with BINI Psychology by clicking like, subscribe, and bell icon.